Do you know that uploading through the YouTube Studio app can be a game changer for your growing channel? So if you've been uploading without it, you might be missing out on big growth opportunities. You might be missing out on getting views, a lot of views, subscribers, and channel growth. So in this video, I'll be showing you the top advantages of uploading your video through the YouTube Studio app, how it helps you rank better, and I'll also walk you through the step-by-step process on how to upload through this YouTube Studio app, like optimizing your video very well. So just stick around to the end of this video. Hey, if you see my video for the first time, I am Mommy Chase. Please do it to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate you all. Thanks for always stopping by. So let's get started. If you've tried uploading through the web studio using your phone, you find out that it's a bit stressful. So I can't remember any time that I've uploaded through the web studio, you understand. So all I do is to upload through the studio app, then later I go back to edit on the web studio. Like this feature that you can't find on the studio app, I go to web studio after uploading to edit, like end screen, YouTube card, and all of that, to make it easier and faster for me. I don't know about you. I don't know if you're finding it very easy uploading on the web studio through your phone. I don't know, but I think it's better if you're using a system or laptop. And you find out that choosing the studio app to upload your YouTube video easier and faster. So in this video, I'll be giving reason why you should upload through the studio app. Let's explain what studio app is. Studio app is the official tool created by YouTube that lets you manage your channel, helps you track analytics, reply to comments, and of course upload and optimize your videos easily. And here is where it gets powerful for small creators. Firstly, it helps you upload faster than you can ever imagine. Now, if you're going to use this YouTube Studio app, you don't need to transfer any file to your computer. You can upload directly from your phone gallery, and it's perfect for vlogs, it's perfect for short videos. In fact, any kind of video you want to post is very okay, especially for daily uploaders, people that upload daily, like every day. You know, there are creators that always upload, so this YouTube Studio app is very good for them. Number two is instant video optimization. You can easily add your title, your description, tags, and thumbnails easily. Like if you've not tried using this YouTube Studio app to upload your video, try it. I promise you'll enjoy it. It's so stress-free. Now, number three is real-time performance tracking. So after uploading, you can actually monitor your video performance using this same app, this same YouTube Studio app. It's if your video is doing well or not, for you to check and change your description, video titles, or thumbnails. It's very easy for you to use. Like, you can't be a YouTube creator without having this YouTube Studio app. It's very important. So now let's head to number four. Using this YouTube Studio app to upload video is time saving, especially for busy creators. You know, some people are not just creators on YouTube alone. They have other jobs they do, other things they do. So with this YouTube Studio app, it will help you a whole lot. This app makes it easy for you to schedule your upload. This app is so easy for new creators to actually use. Now let's talk about how this YouTube Studio app helps you get more views. Now let's break it down. Let's just say the truth. You know, views come from visibility, and visibility comes from optimization. And that's what this Studio app helps you to do. It helps you optimize your titles with keywords. It helps you add SEO-rich titles on the go. Very easy. Secondly, it helps you write a keyword-rich description. It also helps you add your thumbnail easily. You can actually add a high-converting thumbnail directly from your phone. So in this video, I'm also going to show you step-by-step on how to upload using this app and optimizing your video very well. Now I'm going to share my screen with you, showing you how to upload, step-by-step tutorial actually. So let's upload a video together. So you start with going to the app, click on the app to take you to this place. So you just tap on the plus sign, then it will take you to your gallery where you choose the video you want to upload. So it's loading. So first thing you do now is to type in the title of your video, because you cannot save the video without the title. So I'm just going to use how to cook coconut rice in Nigeria. So next thing now is to choose your thumbnail. Type on that picture icon, then to take it to your gallery, just choose whatever. I'll just make use of any of these pictures. So let me just use this one.
So that is it.
So next thing is to go to visibility. As you can see, you have public, unlisted, private, schedule. Just choose unlisted because the video is not going live now. So next is to go to audience. You can see you can choose yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. So let's go to location. So it's not advisable to put any location, just leave that one like that. So let's move to a playlist. Make sure you have a playlist. So you just add it to your playlist. This one is allow video or audio remixing. If you want them to use your video or your audio, just allow it. Click on allow. That's all. So for this paid promotion, YouTube is asking if you're doing promo for any brand or product. So just choose yes or no. So for this one, you know the kind of content you're creating, so it's for you to choose yes or no. But for me, I don't choose any of it. Now for comments, always make sure you leave your comments on, as this will help with your engagements. So now you can go ahead and click on upload. After that, you go back to add your description and other things. But for now, just click on upload. So it has started uploading. So let's go back to check if it's uploading. Okay, as you can see, it has started uploading. So what you do now is to tap on those three dots there, click on the pencil icon, edit. Then you go back. As you can see, add description. So you click on that add description, then you add your description. So you know this is a tutorial, so I'm just going to type in anything, you know. So let me just use how to make delicious coconut rice. I'm going to hashtag to add my hashtag. So the hashtag should be related to your video, the description and the title. That is it. Then you go back. So next thing we are going to add now is our tags. Is the tag. Click on tag, then add tag. Click on it. So you start with things related to your video as well, just like hashtags, but this one is a bit different. So I'm going to use how to cook coconut rice. Add comma. Don't forget, whenever you're adding your tag, after one sentence, you add comma. That's how you differentiate it. So Nigeria coconut rice, comma, another one. Also make sure you use 5 to 6 tags on your video. So just type in like 5 to 6 tags. So let's go to category. Click on category. So these are the categories. So just choose where your niche falls under, the category your niche falls under, anyone. So mine is education. So you click on. So let's go to show how many viewers like this video. So for me, I don't like turning mine on, so just off it. Go to standard YouTube license. Choose standard YouTube license, then leave the allow embedding on. So you go back, then save. Click on save. So after this, you can go to Web Studio to edit your end screen. So this is it. If this video actually helped you, if you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.